Celebrare oggi Parajanov può voler dire tante cose. La prima, talmente autoevidente, è celebrare la grandezza di un maestro come Sergei Parajanov. Noi sappiamo che insomma è un personaggio che ha ricevuto degli attestati di stima incredibili da parte di figure come Pasolini, Antonioni, Fellini, Tonino Guerra, Martin Scorsese. Ha avuto influenze sulla cultura visiva del mondo contemporaneo. Abbiamo ad esempio, non lo so, videoclip di personaggi come Irene, Madonna, Lady Gaga, esplicitamente ispirati alla sua visione cinematografica.
Artuyt, with the support of the Ministry of Education, Science, Culture and Sport of the Republic of Armenia, is organizing a two-day fashion art event in partnership with Emerging Talents Milan to commemorate Sergei Parajanov's 100th anniversary.
First of all, it's not just only a special day here, but a special day in Armenia today, because it's the day of the independence of Armenia, so the main celebration. And it is also very symbolic that in the day of independence we are referring Parajanov, the one that's struggling and fighting for independence, and in a very broader sense, in freedom of speech, freedom of arts. When he was imprisoned, he was also doing the wonderful masterpieces of art in the period of his imprisonment, and one of them was the can of yogurt that he reshaped into a medallion that we call taler, and we give the prize, the main prize of our festival for outstanding contribution to the world of cinema, award them with that very medallion. And even Italian outstanding filmmakers like Gianfranco Rosi, like Pietro Marcello got that award. Also, Parajanov was inspired by everything, starting from ancient era until Italian neorealism. He made three short films regarding his three motherlands. In cinema of Parajanov, we have this frontal relations with the very center of a frame. A lot of fashion designers like Gian Galliano, like Jean-Paul Gaultier, like Yohji Yamamoto, Tilda Swinton in 2010 co-curated a fashion exhibition inspired by Parajanov, and you will see the other one right tomorrow, so don't miss it, and thanks for being here.